अच्छा जी, मेरे साथ अब वो साहब हैं जो अभी आप देख रहे थे डॉलर्स बांट रहे थे, लोगों को सवाल करने पर डॉलर्स दे रहे थे, थोड़े थोड़े सवालों पर डॉलर्स दे रहे थे. सो may I know your name?
Mike.
Mike. Make America great again.
Yes, sir.
You were the one who was giving a lot of dollars on each question. Why were you doing it?
Well, it was a way to draw a crowd. It was kind of get people interested. And so I was doing some Trump trivia, asking some easy questions, had a few $1 bills in my hand. And if somebody gave an answer to a question, I'd give them with $1. And it got people excited.
I also raised my hand, but you did not see me.
I'm so sorry about that.
I was being discriminated.
I know. Maybe you should have spoke up loud enough. I was just trying to see who was excited enough, and honestly, whoever would have just run up with the right answer, I probably wouldn't have.
So, how many dollars you have spent?
What do you say, guys? I probably spent $20-$30.
Total amount.
Yeah, over the course of a couple hours. Yeah.
Wow. It was very interesting when I saw you doing it, because for me it was a new and wonderful experience. So you are here to celebrate. If I ask you that when American president says that make America great again, so America is already great. Why that slogan has become so popular?
Well, I think it got popular because over the decades, the things that initially made America great, looking after its own interests, that kind of fell by the wayside with the rise of globalism. And so it really undermined a lot of the freedoms, a lot of the economic power that we had in the country. And there was a lot of mismanagement in the government.
By Biden administration?
Well, to be fair, a lot of administrations prior to Biden.
Okay.
Biden was just the latest one.
Yeah.
But there was just a mindset within the government that became, unfortunately, less and less concerned with America's interests as a country, not really wanting to be strong or expand or anything like that.
They were more interested in outside America. They got engaged in different wars.
Yeah, different wars. Getting involved with other people's politics and really meddling in business. We didn't really have to.
So you're happy now Trump is back?
I'm definitely happy, yeah.
Should I tell you a very interesting thing?
Sure, absolutely.
I have met American President Donald Trump in 2019, and I have seen a White House from inside as well.
Wow, what a privilege.
Have you ever been to?
I have not been inside the White House.
So
I've been outside
of it. Then?
A very privileged and honored man to go in the White House. That's wonderful.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure
Absolutely,
with you. Stay blessed. Keep spreading that happiness all around.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Take care.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए.